nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see, exactly what's going on right here. All right, I'm going to make a very delicious, healthy cucumber juice. All right, this one, trust me, guys. I cut up some cucumber, put it to your blender like this. All right. That is lovely. Let's get some cucumber and very good for weight loss, this one. Piece of ginger. Put some ginger. Some lemon. So now remove the skin. Half of a lemon. Let's put some water. What you do? This is very good for you, alright? Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning or in the evening. You know, it's good to drink it on an empty stomach, but it's a very good drink. Cucumber with ginger and lemon, very good for weight loss, and you know, very, very, very good drink, guys. So I would introduce you guys to this and an amazing drink right here. So just please give it a try. If you don't like it, you know what I mean, it's just one of those kind of drink where you definitely want to give it a try. Alright. Yeah, beautiful drink. I did quite a few video on these one, talking about cucumber juice and all these things. Alright, now this one is also, I'm going to show you this one, very good also for weight loss. Alright, this one is going to be half of a lemon, and I have some leftover mango. This is some leftover mango right here, because I did a mango salad. Alright, so very good to just blend up this one, and naturally just gonna add a little bit of water to it, tiny bit, not much. Right, and we're going to add some blackberry to it, because blackberry is very good for your stomach. Alright. Blend this about 2 to 3 seconds. Lovely. Alright. Honestly, this is just amazing one. I normally make that one with the mango and blackberry. Is amazing drink, guys, for you to drink at home. Alright, so especially if you want to drink something in the morning, that come in really handy for you. Alright, it is just beautiful, nice and delicious, 100%. Alright, look at that, beautiful and amazing. Alright, so I just want to take the time out to say thank every one of you guys for watching. Please stay tuned in and don't forget to click in the notification bell. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Alright, my name is Chef Ricardo. I try my best to give you some of the most fantastic recipe in the world. Alright, beautiful drink we can make at home from Chef Ricardo today. So subscribe, click the notification bell. Please tell a friend, and a friend, tell a friend. Very, very delicious recipe to make at home. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. See you next time. Bye-bye.